Okay. Mama sa enkomo we ento Akufo-Addo na nwumre. Na Ghana ni bi anka nche Akufo-Addo say. Ghana fo akasa eno peso wiem. Oruma hwe. Ewi asempanyimfo se opamo ohufo a woto ne bema. Ewi ase se opamo ohufo a woto ne bema. Ana wo yire wonsam bebra yebum na omampani Akufo-Addo aye no ho se wono koa na ye bema wo Ghana ha bema bie ni ha eka no ho nana wo ye bema bebra ye kugya wo sa wo ye bema bebra ye kugya wo ekwanya Akufo-Addo de Ghana democracy ade afa so no adana de pefema Ghana fo nyina hu se kabi mami kabi enye adwuma na Akufo-Addo wonti ase mani ewuwa ma papa opani e wanya 76 years mani ewuwa ma wo ye da pafo wate hwa adio mampani Akufo-Addo ayama mani ewuwa ma no ene say Ghana ha ye we ni ya to aba na electorate a decide say ni pasumasi ene yepe no John Dramani Mahama no mampani Akufo-Addo atumi nya kukuduro ene abato komi se slay queen no Jemensa no awiem we will not accept this results today or tomorrow. We will not accept it. This country will be ungovernable for you. Na babia ebedrono afei ana wo babehu wo babesia chewa enenema. Ghana fine ho ate wo. Why you bema wa Ghana force ate? Akufo-Addo behave say wono ko na ye bema wa Ghana ha bema bia kan wo biem. Ya to aba yenya seat ama seat enya ye no emrase badwama konwa Ghana fo enya ye no omonya seat a eye encouraging Ghana fo nya seat a eye encouraging ya wo bia ni mo Ghana ha say Ghana has say 146. Wakwa se ho kokwasa. No wadwene se jam wani bia ma ne broso. Akufo-Addo se wani bia ma ne broso a afei na wo ba besia chewa ene ne ma. I am telling you. Put him becoming Ghana Africana at the right time. The good citizens of this country will rise up. I am telling you. For the first time in the history of this nation, a soldier for near Tio and the Kotuaba. Who papa penimua when you're 76 years war. Yakotuaba for your selfish interest in tea. With the trio. Ya kumini pa fall. I will take him south. Ya kumini pa betu. I will do. Ya Bobby sent you. No to me and ya kukudra catch a Ghana force. When ya kukudra catch a Ghana force. About where to you know. And yet the most peaceful election, BBNC. George Floyd, America. Mukofa na ye eba Ghana ha be ye ya kum Ghana fo be sensia Akufo-Addo si BBNC we ni pa boni ni pa won we Ghana fo opani I swear to God so wa woni abato we wa Ghana ha ya tie nyina be he on the 7th I am telling you akonwa no ntra so The Rawana of the seat, John Dramani Mahama, was set on that throne. When you shoot what fairy, and we took 2 from 2 for our 70, and then with the soldier photo, a civilian government will use soldiers and intimidated the good people of this nation. Ghana for are sick and tired of you. Akufo-Addo, there is nothing. Be any hot you obey to me yet. What Tinakonya we so da e wo Ghana ha. We are hufuo. We are dapafuo. We ba ye said you see Ghana kro no. A corrupt man like you. Boni e wadi Ghana. Nti wenti. Ene. Wo pe ba bia dwane akote. Can you tell Ghanaians say wa win election Ghana? Na na do na Akufo-Addo. Ubetumi aka no kwade ya Ghana for say abatu atu ye woni yampa me pacho ba page no so share video no mane ko ba bia niam ma pani Akufo-Addo ntiase say Ghanaians are not okay with the verdict. Ghanaians are not okay with this useless resource. What you say? Enuma bebre ana asisie. Enuma bebre na happen. Wani egu wani magu ase papa. Eni mguase akwaba. Ya to abayi mampani a wana oteso. Wo hwia mu odane ma wo. Na duruso no wasanwene. Wosimi sifom ne sifom kyena. Ade na woje. At your age. Ka wuti fie e kyerɛkyerɛ e kwanye faso ebuman. What? At your age, baby, a Ghana kwakodro. Ya nyina twa baby a wo Akufo-Addo wo dwen no. Ghana anya for cake. Ghana ya dru baby a Ghanaians ya see ya decide say John Dramani Mahama and wa facility. Bibia no. You betumi age e de change no. Jemen sane de o declare na de amount. Eno na de wanya. Name the will of the people work. And you cannot subvert the will of the people. You can't. Ghana for sorry, Ghana for will rise up and fight you as oppressor. Because Yamran say and help us to resist the oppressor's rule. We will never allow you to oppress us. Yenara yasasini, eyabodendema ye. Moja yena nanem doto homa ye no. Edru men ne won so si abeye bi atoaso. Wa ma yakonkoasom. Second slavery. And say ye woman no. What the Ghana fa konkoasom wo how amane ye dadwene kwadana no dosododo. Akufo-Addo. Ye catcher on a day and say Sifom Boko. For the sake of peace, Sifom Boko. Sifom Boko. Na akonya we wani nye ho. Se Ghana for decided. No why wadwe so betintim Ghana for nsa. No adu omutumi de afro nsem no. And you wait it. Mama video went to Akufo-Addo. I would tell. What am I? Men need Ghana for Magro. Don't take our leniency to be our weakness. The method of saying I didn't does not mean say will be strong. But they be been try. A breadroom Ghana for be decided. Ghana for kasa. Sit awuji ya osahuyo so enye wo sit. Wo bia Paul Van Sedu awini sit. With 6 vote mpa. We then declare aduma kokwa free. We are then kwaji Techiman South. Wo bia one winning about 5 or one winning about 2,000. We are there kwaji. No man who ya mu ye nyina no eyenkurase ne ye enya ni bie ye fa we mu man oku hu ani mase wate na dia mu ye wei emwa wo ne emwa wo tena me dia futuo wei e de ama wo pati wo pa eniso ye bra bi baba wo be kaise abrantie bi tu me fundamentie asabre no na kachi nyame hu mobo no fa boni nchewo ene woda na wodwe ho se Ghana for decide ye na me tintim wo mansa agi wo mutumi firi wo mansam a onyankopon ankasa be versatile. May God Almighty forgive you, but me catch you na what you say ye nyame nyame yo ye nkwaja me nyame ade ye mfa kokoto so but issue no ye be solve nyame hu mobo no fa boni nchewo.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase epe wo wi ase ya asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura